Hi guys, so I thought I'd vlog today because Ellie, I'm picking Ellie up and waiting for her, is gonna try and dye my hair blue tinted, like a blue tint. I don't know. She saw a girl at a bus stop once and thought it was me, and the girl had bluey black hair and was like, that looks like Hannah. Hi Ellie!
Oh,
Welcome to Vlogmas.
that was so unexpected, okay.
Did you not see me talking to myself?
No.
Just like, oh, that's her. She's just doing her thing. I thought I'd vlog because I thought it'd be funny.
It would be funny.
We're going to see if it works, if my hair goes blue. Not fully blue, we just want a blue tint.
It would look good, like blacky blue.
Slightly tinted. I've got this like clippy thing so I can clip it to my car, but I don't feel like we need it.
What are you sticking on with? Or have you not stuck it on?
No, it's propped up on my little flower pot. Wait, look at my flower. It's propped on my flower pot. There's a flower pot in their car. And also we want to make a milkshake. We'll go there first because we're gonna get a jar of peanut butter and a jar of jelly, and we're gonna throw it in a blender with ice cream and milk.
I'm so excited.
Shit, I forgot the milk. I think
we can buy milk.
Maybe there'll be some at home.
Where are we going?
Gubbins.
Gubbins. Okay.
Home Gubbins, and we'll get a jar of jelly, a jam, and then we'll make a milkshake and dye my hair.
Okay.
And then we'll go to the dye stuff.
Where's that from?
Sally's. Is it called Sally's? Capital,
right.
We got the hair dye. Oh, we're going clubbing later as well. I forgot to say that.
Are you going to vlog that as well?
I don't know. I might just steal your Snapchat.
Yeah, I do really good Snapchat.
Yeah.
There's a hole in my soul. I can't feel it.
We're gonna do this, guys. We've got the blue. I got Midnight Blue by Directions. So let's see how this goes.
Pass me like the utensils.
No, let's pass me the glove. This is really attractive. Look. Where are we gonna start? Oh, I need gloves.
Gloves.
I'm so hungry. I had a bowl of like gross cereal.
Oh, I had beans on toast. On top, then you condition it in and do that.
Yeah, but I don't want a blue scalp. I'm on a brush, so you can do one side.
Yeah. Where's the brushes?
My mum's room. Oh no, it's on my neck. Well, it was supposed to be red. One day it was. Do you want to get that? Oh, perfect. Thanks, Ellie.
That's great.
You're great support.
See my hand come
Yeah. Oh no, it's on my neck again. I'm going out tonight, Ellie. Remember, look good.
It's come off really easy.
Okay, good. Because it's like conditioning them. I can't do it in the mirror. It's confusing me.
It's back to front.
Ah!
Oh no.
Ellie, how are you not getting in a mess?
Wow. It's called expertise. Does it wash out clothes and stuff?
I hope so. I don't know. I didn't read it.
I'm pretty sure it does, because I'm pretty sure it does. If you use that Vanish soap, that's really good at getting stains out. Is that on this
Do you
bit?
not dye eyelashes? What do you want?
Should I get another layer now, because that's all done? Should we do the back, the whole back?
Yeah, just do as you please. Oh, I'm blue.
Do you miss your blonde streaks?
No, they'll be blonde again soon. Wait, what ones?
The ones in your hair, maybe.
Oh. No.
Why divide it? Do you want to do a bit of this bit?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Ow.
Turning into a smurf. I might dye my own hair blue.
No, it won't do that. Cool, I've got my hair then.
We're making our milkshake now. Am I filming? Oh yeah, hang on. I don't know why I just started shouting. We got peanut butter. How much should we put in? I don't know what I'm not so good. Should we do jelly first?
Yeah.
Then peanut butter. How much?
How much do you think? I'm not good at estimating.
Me neither.
About the same amount as that.
Why do I make a mess of everything I do?
Now I'm just waiting on the ice cream. Walking on ice.
Like that, man?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I literally forgot to film my hair the other day, but this is the colour it turned out. It's like this tealy, bluey, green, mermaidy colour, but I love it because it blends really well with like my natural hair colour. It's really difficult to show you in this light. So thanks for watching this little video, guys. I finished it literally 2 days later. Bye!